Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CMake GUI. First, open the CMake GUI application. You will see two main fields at the top: where is the source code, and where to build the binaries. Enter the path to your project's root directory in the first field. For the second, create and specify an empty directory where CMake will generate your build files. This separation keeps your source tree clean and organized. After setting your paths, click the Configure button. CMake will then prompt you to choose a generator for your project. For example, you might select Visual Studio for Windows development or Unix makefiles for Linux. Once selected, CMake will process your project's CMake lists, TXT files, and populate the cache. Any new or modified variables will appear highlighted in red, indicating they might need your attention. Now, you can customize your build by adjusting the variables listed in the main window. These variables control aspects like build type, installation paths, and feature toggles. For instance, you might enable or disable a specific library dependency. After making any changes, always click Configure again. This step ensures that CMake processes your modifications and updates the internal cache, preparing for the final generation. Once configuration is complete and all variables are set as desired, click the Generate button. CMake will then create the necessary project files in your specified build directory. For a Visual Studio generator, this means a SLN solution file. Open this generated solution in your integrated development environment. From there, you can proceed to build your project, compiling your source code into executables or libraries, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.